In this video, I'll show you how to start trading in Quotex. First, open the Quotex website or app and log into your account. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to create one using your email address, set a password, and complete any required verification steps. Once you're inside the platform, you'll see the main trading screen. This is where you can choose an asset, check the price chart, select the trade amount, and decide whether the price may go up or down. Before using real money, it's a good idea to start with the demo account. The demo balance lets you practice trading without risking your own funds. Use this time to understand how the platform works, how price movements behave, and how trade timing affects your results. To place a trade, choose an asset from the list, such as a currency pair, cryptocurrency, stock, or commodity. Then select the trade duration. This is the time your trade will stay open before the result is calculated. Next, enter the amount you want to trade. Start with a small amount, especially if you're new. Trading involves risk, and you should never trade money you cannot afford to lose. Now look at the chart and decide your direction. If you think the price will be higher when the trade ends, choose up. If you think the price will be lower, choose down. After placing the trade, wait for the timer to finish. If your prediction is correct, the platform will show your profit. If not, the trade amount will be lost. Remember, successful trading takes practice, patience, and proper risk management. Don't rush, avoid emotional decisions, and always test your strategy first on the demo account. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.